Hey guys, what's up? I'm Christian Taylor, and today I have the pleasure of sharing my first impressions of this beast. This is the iPhone XR in Coral, and it's an amazing phone. First of all, can we stop with the display? I look at this display, it's an iPhone display. What is the problem? Oh, the problem is there's no OLED? Yeah, you're saving $250 buying this phone instead of the OLED iPhone. I don't notice a difference. The display doesn't bother me. Is it as sharp as an OLED panel? No. But it's a really high quality display. But it's not all unicorns and rainbows. Let me talk about some of the things that tick me off. First of all, those bezels. I know they seem like they're minor, and in the grand scheme of things, they really are. But the bezels are irritating. It just doesn't feel immersive. I feel like they don't belong. They're so big and they're uniform in a way to where it's almost awkward. And I feel like I can't become immersed with the content. The other thing that bothers me, I am going to be in the minority on. But it's the lack of 3D touch. I actually use 3D touch all the time on my other iPhone, and on this one, well, you 3D touch on an icon, nothing happens. Now yes, there is something that's like haptic feedback, so on your icons in Control Center, you long press, and that long press activates the item. That is very similar. I'm not too bothered by that. Apple did a wonderful job implementing this. But when 3D touch was legitimately useful, like on these icons, boom, not there, completely gone. See, I don't know what happened this year. Last year, the iPhone X was considered the premium iPhone, and the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus were the iPhone. But this year, the XS and XS Max are the iPhone, and the XR is the budget iPhone? Whoa, but wait a minute. The iPhone 8 and 8 Plus had an LCD display, and the iPhone 8 had the same pixel density as the iPhone XR. The only reason this is being called a budget iPhone is because Apple decided to offer consumers more choices with colors. I guarantee you, if they only made a black, white, and a gold option, this would be taken more seriously. But because of the colors, because, oh, this reminds me of the iPhone 5C. Let's not forget the plastic iPhone 5C. This is not plastic. This is glass. Okay, this is glass. This is aluminum. This is a much different case than the 5C. The 5C had old internals. This has the A12 processor. This is not a budget iPhone. The XS and XS Max are premium iPhones. So at the end of the day, is $250 less worth it in exchange for losing 3D touch and a couple minor things? I think it is. I'm gonna have lots of content and comparisons. I'm gonna go heads down comparing this to the XS in a side-by-side video. So if you'd like to see that, do hit that subscribe button and click the bell. But I'd love to know what your thoughts are on the iPhone XS in the comments below. Do you see it as a budget iPhone, or is it a premium iPhone, or just an iPhone? Definitely let me know down below. If you wanna check out some of my other videos, you can do so over here. And with that said, I will catch you guys next time.